welcome to my channel. So today I will be giving you guys a nursery tour. We're gonna go ahead and start with this side of the room. I was going for like a safari but background magic brown cool tones. I got this giraffe from Target. I got it from my aunt, but you can get it from Target. I got this little crib sheet that has like the melanin rainbow colors on it from Amazon. This crib is also from Amazon, I believe. I don't remember the name, but I'll try to give you guys the description of everything later. I got these two pillows from Target. I also got this rainbow sticker decal from Amazon. Come over here to like her book nightstand area. I got this whole set right here from Ross. I got this lamp from Target, this little picture frame with that little baby picture in it. I got the picture frame from Ross. This nightstand, I actually took it from my mom, but I believe you can find something similar at like Ross or Marshall's. These two portrait frames, I got these from Marshall's. I thought they were so cute paired together. I was like, oh yeah, this is it. I definitely got those from Marshall's. These acrylic bookshelves, I thought they were so cute, and I wanted it to be like when Maddie starts walking, I want her to be able to pull her own book. So I got these bookshelves from Amazon. I got this little cute little I think they call this like a bucket, not a bucket, but a bin. Yeah, a bin. Got this little cute bin, I believe from Home Goods. Yes, got this cute little bin from Home Goods with, again, of course, the melanin rainbow with a little pink shade. I thought that was so cute. I got this Ottoman thingy from Target, which is so cute because it's like boho themed. I got these drapes from Target. They only come in 84 inch. I went to a nearby tailor and I got it lengthened, so I bought 4 panels, 2 sets, but it equal to 4, and she extended it so it could be 108. So they don't come in this length. I actually got that custom for it to come in this length. I got this cute little chair. I like to call the fabric on it like sheep felt chair from Amazon. It was a cute little rocking chair. It was not too expensive. It was like $12. Where you just rock Maddie to sleep right here or read a book. This cute little shelf. I got this picture frame from Ross. That's like us at the baby shower. Got this little cute little plant from Marshall's. This cute little elephant from Marshall's. That hanging thing up there, I believe I got that from Marshall too with the plant. That was also, and this candle is also from Marshall's. It smells really, really good. Never lit it, but there's no reason to in here. I just have it in here. Sometimes I leave it open so that the scent can come, but got that cute little, of course it's like in the theme, the color theme too. So I got that cute little candle. I got this dresser from Target. This changing table, I forgot the name of it. But I think I did a TikTok and I have the name, this changing table. It's amazing because you can just, skip hop. You can just wipe it off, anything, any accidents, stuff like that, you just wipe it off. So I got this from Target as well. White warmer you can get from anywhere, either Walmart or Target. I got this round gold mirror from Ross, I believe, very inexpensive. This little thing, I leave this on the floor, but it was also a baby shower gift. I think the brand is called Argentina. I don't know. I love the colors. I love that it had like the wooden pieces on it. So that was also a baby shower gift. Oh, my light fixture. It's like this little cute boho beaded light fixture. I got it from Amazon. Okay, I got these little cute portraits from Marshall's as well. Marshall's or Ross, but one of those stores. I think it was Marshall's. I got these little cute portraits, which I thought were really cute. We got this trash can. It's definitely closing handy, child. Like, I didn't have one with pen, but it's definitely needed. I got it in gray because at first Maddie's room was just gray. I I didn't know what vibes I was going for, but I think these come in a lot of different colors, so I would definitely get maybe a pink one or a white one next time. But yeah, so that's the trash can. Got the rug from Ross, super cute, super inexpensive. It has the tassels at the end, just like the drapes. I love the color. It blends everything in so well together. And so if you guys have any questions of where I got these products from, I'll try to put most of it in the description. But Amazon, Target, Ross, Marshalls, those are like really my main go-to stores to get everything in here. I try to go for something warm, cool, calm, collective. I definitely love the mauve tones and the boho theme. So yeah, that is Madison's room tour. If you guys want to see anything else or other videos like this, just make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.